Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So today I'm again gonna give you update on the construction work. So one more day has passed, but unfortunately an important milestone, an important target was missed. Let me tell you what has happened. First of all, let me show you the progress. So for the progress, as you see these spotlights, they have been pushed back or fixed in their places. Okay, fine. Along with that, there were some additional holes here, and there is one inside the master bedroom too, here, and one near the door here. These three were filled, or you can say patched, whatever. Okay, so what has happened, like, there was a representative from the contractor who was assigned the task to go through the inspection, and he came here, and then inspector also arrived. Inspector okayed the egress window. For the railings, he has railing. Let me show you the railings. He has told a slight adjustment to the height. Okay, means going up a bit. It's not like up from the ground, but towards this direction. I mean, that length needs to go towards upwards. That's what he has said. So that they will do. It's not a big deal. Like, they will open that stand and put something over there and it will go fine. But the next thing happened was funny. He checked the emergency lights just above this door from outside. Okay, he came inside and then he said, I would like to see the permit, that drawings. He did not use the word permit, he used drawings. Now this is a minor mistake. The contractor guy who had come, he forgot to bring the hard copy. So he asked help from me, and I said, okay, it's gonna take like few minutes for me to get a printout. But the inspector said, no, that's not how it is supposed to work. You guys have to have the permit hard copy at your hand when final inspection is carried out. So he said, reschedule it, book it again, and he left. Had he given me 5 minutes, I could have brought it down, but nothing. I have printed hard copies and I have placed here in this cabinet, so that next time, even if the contractor forgets, it is here, so that there's nothing that's gonna miss. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you feel about it. Thank you.